Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about HVAC modeling, air terminals, mechanical equipments, as well as system browser, duct system, and well generator layout automatically. So all those kind of things we'll cover in this video. So let's start. So right now, I'm in ceiling plan and we'll create some air terminals and as well a VAV box, and then we can connect those kind of things. Okay, so right now I can press AT command, shortcut key for air terminals, or I can go in systems tab and I can click on air terminal. Right now this is non-hosted family. Why I'm saying that one? Because right now I cannot see any placement, so that is why I can see that it's non-hosted family. It can be placed anywhere outside of building or those kind of things. So please make sure in those kind of things you are giving proper elevation so that it will place at correct location. Right now my ceiling is at 9 feet, so that is why I have placed 9 feet elevation from host means the level. As you can see right now it's showing ground floor. Okay, so I'll place this one randomly right here. I'll press escape command and I'll align this one with the grid of the ceiling, and this one with this one. Yeah, now what I'll do, I'll copy this one for each room, this one, and these two as well. So what I have done, I have placed 5 air terminals. These are okay written here, so I'll convert these one to supply. Select all instance, visible in view, and I'll select these ones into supply. Okay, right now I'll place a mechanical equipment, so I'll type ME command for that one, and I'll place a VAV. You can select any kind of type of mechanical equipment. I'll go with size 2 8 inches inlet. It does not matter as of now because we are just going for the modeling purpose only. So right now you can see that it's not placing. Why it's not placing? Because the same thing, it is also non-hosted family, so I have to give proper height for that one. So I'll give 11 feet because it will not align with the ceiling, it will be above the ceiling. Okay, also if you wanted to rotate that one, just press space bar before placing that one, and also you can rotate after placing as well. So right now I'll place this one right here. Okay, and you can see there are a lot of connectors with this one. It's for electrical, this is for HVAC, this is for also for HVAC. Like there will be 3 connectors. One is for supply, one is for return, and one is for exhaust, and there's the electrical power supply connection. Okay, now what I wanted to tell you is that I have placed 8 terminals, I have placed VAV box. Let me show you system browser. So what I'll do, I'll go in view tab, I'll go user interface, I'll click on this system browser checkbox. This kind of dialog box will be opened. Okay, right now you can see there is okay, previously why it is showing 2 VAV right there? Because previously when I was modeling those kind of elements, at that moment as well I have modeled 1 VAV, so that is why it is showing 2 VAV right there, but there is only 1 VAV. Okay, right now you can see there are 5 air terminals are right there. So you can see 5 air terminals are showing, but it is showing under unassigned. Okay, why it is unassigned? Because till now we did not assign any duct systems to the air terminals, so that is why it is showing unassigned. Well, assign the air terminals to the duct system, then we can see the changes right there as well. Okay, for the system browser I'll create a proper separate video because it needs a proper video for about system browser. Okay, so right now you can see unassigned categories are right there. After assigning you can see the changes. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll close this one for as of now, and now I'll click on any air terminal, click on duct right there, click on a duct system, because I know why it is showing supply air right there, because I know that my diffuser is supply diffuser. What does it mean? It means is that the connector of my supply air terminal family is the system classification inside this family is supplier. So that is why we can see right here supply system type is supplier. Okay, the system name, yes, we can change. So I'll type right there SA space 1 I'll check this one, open in system editor. What does it mean is that after clicking in OK, it'll open the editing mode of duct system. Right there I can add multiple elements for which I wanted to create a proper duct system and those kind of things. So as of now I just selected only one air terminal, but I want to select the remaining 4 as well. So this is already selected, add to system, and I'll click on the elements for which I want to create the same system. Okay, so I've selected all 5 air terminals as of now. But for example, you have mistakenly selected any element that you do not want to select. What you can do in that scenario, you can click on remove from system. You can click on that particular element, it will be unselected. Okay, but as of now I want to select all, so I'll click on that one. Okay, right now you can see select equipment, so you can click on select equipment and you can select the mechanical equipment and then finish editing system. Okay, for example, you did not select the mechanical equipment right there and you have come out from the command, then what you can do in that scenario as well, if I'll go in duct system, you have the option of select equipment. Okay, from right there you can also select that the same. Okay, you can even add it as of now if you wanted to change something in that particular duct system as well, so you can change from right there as well. Okay, right now I'm not changing anything. So what I'll do is that, so what I'll do, we have created a duct system as of now. Okay, right now what I'm doing is that I want to generate a proper layout for this network automatically. How I can do that thing, it's very simple. But before than that, I want to show you something. Before creating any layout, generate layout, what you need to do is that click on the mechanical option right there. This kind of dialog box will be opened, and click on conversion in duct settings. For the supplier right now we are going, because we are creating we are generating the layout for supplier. So go in supplier, duct type, select the duct type, which duct type you want to create automatically. Okay, so I'm selecting rectangular duct, metered elbow taps. What does it mean? Like taps means when it will be going for the branch out, it will automatically take the particular tab for that one. Okay, so I'm going with that one. The middle elevation for the main branch will be 11 feet. I'm taking as of now because my VAV box is at 11 feet height. Okay, what are about the branches? The duct type, I'm going with the round duct, because the branches which are connecting with the air terminals, I'm going with round duct as of now with tabs, so that it can connect with tab with the main duct. Okay, the middle elevation I'm taking the same one, 11 feet as of now. I'm not going with flax duct for the branches. If you want, you can go with that one as well. So I have done this setting as of now. Now what I'll do is that I'll click on the mechanical equipment. I'll click on generate layout right there, and what I'll do is that there are a lot, you can see installation is highlighted. There are a lot of solution types are right there: network, perimeter, intersections, those kind of things. Also you can go with these kind of options in solution types. Okay, but before than that, you can click on setting, cross check again that everything is fine for main and branch as well. Okay, and now check which kind of network suits for you. Right now I'm going with this one because it has less material to be used. So I'll click on finish layout. Yeah, now it's properly connected because nothing, zero warnings right there, no warning has come. And after modeling by generate layout command, you can also change the parts if you want to change. So right now I just moved this duct right there, but as of now this has done automatically. We did not give any design command to this one, those kind of things. So duct size is not properly settled, so we need to resize the duct networks. How I can do that thing? There are two ways. Either you can go with manual things, like you can go one by one and you can change the duct size, or there is one automatic way in Revit as well. How you can do that thing? So first of all, I'll slice somewhere. Right now you can see the reducer has placed right there. It means while I have created this modeling part by generate layout command, Revit knows that there should be a single air terminal. It means the size should be reduced, but we'll go with proper design command in Revit and we'll see how it goes with the proper accurate design command. So I'll create a slice command right there and maybe one right there. Okay, so I just randomly placed slices, like I'm just giving Revit a command that if you are resizing the duct, please use this slice command so that you can place transition right there, and if you want to reduce the size in between these two air terminals, use this one. Otherwise just go with this one. So what we can do after resizing, we can, if any transition any what we can say coupling is not used, then we can delete that one. We can join the both ducts. Okay, so we'll see that one in this video. So right now what I'll do, I'll create a tab so that I can select full network. Okay, and I can click on duct 5 sizing. Okay, this kind of dialog box will be opened. Right now there are a lot of options for sizing methods. I'm going with equal friction. I'm going with 0.8 for equal friction for the main duct. And then what I can do, I can go with the branching with calculated sizes only. Okay, I'll restrict height for 96 inches so that it will restrict the height. It will not change the height in that scenario. Okay, I can click on OK, and now you can see the difference. Yeah, now you can see the difference is that it has used this coupling as transition, this one as well, and this one it has reduced the duct. Previously it was not that much reduced, but right now it has reduced the proper duct length. So if I'll select the air terminal, and if I'll see the CFM for this duct, that is CFM for air terminal, that is 500 CFM. Okay, if I'll select this duct as well, the CFM will be 500 CFM. I did not fill any data, and you can see I cannot even change that data. It has taken automatically as per the air terminal. Okay, now if I'll come for this duct should have 1000 mm CFM, as you can see. Why? Because it has the flow for this air terminal and this one, like these two air terminals flow will be in this duct. Okay, the same one 3, it means 1500, and this duct will have all 5 air terminals flow 2500, and the same one should be for VAV because it has also oral flow as 2500. You can see supply airflow, it's 2500. So that is how we can we have created a proper network with proper design and proper duct sizing as well. And now if I'll show you the system browser as well, I'll go in view tab, user interface, system browser. Now you can see right there in mechanical option we have supply air and one VAV, because one VAV is right there, and SA1 that we have created as duct system, and inside that all 5 air terminals are right there, the flow for each air terminal and in which space these are. Okay, all those kind of data is right there. That's very useful. And why these multiple VAVs are showing, because of we know that for each and every VAV mechanical print we have electrical connections, we have 3 types of supply return and exhaust connections. Those kind of things are right there. So if I'll select any VAV, it has selected all these because all those are a single one only, and in Revit also it got selected, right? So this is the single one, but it is showing as per the connectives that are aligned with this mechanical equipment. So do not get confused that there are 4 VAVs, that will be a single one only. Okay, but why this VAV is not highlighted? Because as I told you earlier in this video only, that previously I have created one VAV as well, so that is why it's showing this VAV connection is also right there. Okay, so do not bother about that one. I have hided that one, so that is why it's showing in this one only. So it's very good option for tracking which kind of element you have used on those kind of things. I'll create a proper full video about system browser in some time later, but yeah, that's all in this video guys. Let's meet in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching this one.